Hey guys, namaste, this is Genius6 here, back again with another video. So if you have a ZV-E10 and you're looking to do some serious upgrade to your camera, but you're in a budget, then this is definitely for you. And this is obviously, if you like this type of video guys, sub to the channel would be awesome. Comment down below and walk with me with this tutorial. Let's get started. First of all, you need to understand that ZV-E10 is one of the compact, very lightweight camera, and if you own one of these, you know how versatile this ZV-E10 is. And the best part of having a ZV-E10, which is especially for this Sony aps-c camera, which is a crop sensor camera, is it has an interchangeable lens. The worst part is if you go look for any E-mount, for the record, this supports an E-mount lens. Okay, so if you go around and look around and try to find one of these lens or any sort of a lens for E-mount, then you know how expensive it gets. Even if you want to buy something like 50mm lens, then it goes probably $300-400, and then there goes out of your budget. So that means your camera will be less than lens. And again, for by no means I'm not comparing the price for lens. Obviously you're paying for the quality, but what if I tell you there's another market you can tap into just by using adapter ring? And I'm going to show you one of the best company. Again, by no means I'm not getting paid from this company. Okay, this is my genuine review. I've used multiple different adapter ring for other companies, and out of those, this stands out well. The best part of this adapter ring is it natively supports autofocus. That just blows in my mind. So what you could do is you can technically tap into any sort of aps-c lens out there in the market. Again, you can pause this video, you can start looking around on eBay or Amazon or anything like that, then you see how many adapters there are, probably hundreds of different adapter ring. Out of those, I will recommend you to buy one of these 7 artisan adapters. So this is one of the best adapter you can ever get. Again, I might be pronouncing wrong, but this is how you're gonna say it's the 7 artisan. So as you can see, so this is the best one. It has aps-c. I'm gonna shortly box, and then I'm gonna show you the installation process, how you can install this one as well. It's gonna blow your mind. It has a inbuilt autofocus. How many adapter that actually supports it? For the record, if you go on Amazon right now or eBay, scroll down, find the adapter ring you like, and then read the description, and then 80 to 90% of time they will say it's a manual focus. So that means video or any sort of a photo, then you have to manually adjust the ring. That means you have to get the subject in focus by yourself. That's what manual focus means, and it's gonna blow your mind. Now let's get started with the unboxing. First thing out, which is the cover. Let's keep it inside. So the name of the company, again, it's called 7 Artisan, depending on how you pronounce it. This is how I pronounce it. And then this is where I was referring as aps-c. If you look at it, it says aps-c, so this would be my model number or maybe serial number, and aps-c is written there as well. So this is what I got because I want to get a versatile range for ZV-E10, so like for my camera lens for ZV-E10. And let's get go inside. So again, there's nothing fancy in there, so it provides you with the kind of a tool guide of what it is and what type of lens adapter, how you're gonna put it in. It shows you complete instruction. So again, it could be different. If you want to just buy normal range, I believe you can do it, and I will put a link in the description below as well for the seller. I bought it from eBay. Again, for by no means I'm getting paid for this one. This is just my genuine review, and trust me, it was blown away. That's why. So I've already taken the plastic out. After already taken the plastic out, this is the Allen key, which I will show you shortly what it's going to be used for. And itself, there's nothing in the box, as you can see. I'm going to put this box inside. So this is the adapter ring I was referring to before. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to increase the brightness for a while so you can have a look what you're gonna get on this one. So, and these are the connectors which I'm going to show you shortly as well. And that's where the lens itself, you can put the lens itself as well. And it does have a USB port, so you can update the firmware. So if any other lens comes out, then obviously you can update this one as well. So this Allen key itself is actually, you can take this out, because if you're using smaller lens, or if you're using a bigger lens, then you can stick your tripod in there. So this is like for your tripod or anything like that, because even though I'm using 50mm lens, I use I hook my tripod here so that it doesn't stress on your camera too. So you don't want to put too much stress on the mount, and it actually holds that camera easily too. And I'm going to show you how I can install it. So again, if you ever installed the ZV-E10 lens, then it's easy. If you have not done it, then there's a little push lever in there. You push it and you twist it. So once you push and twist it, this is how it's going to come out with. And you can see that's the ZV-E10 kit lens. I'm going to put it inside. And so this is where you can actually see there's a little white dot that you have to align. There's a white dot as well, you can see. So I'm going to align it, and then as long as I twist it, you'll hear the click sound. There you go. That's a click sound that you should be hearing for or looking for. And after this is what I was referring to. If you want to take it out, you can take it out with the Allen key. There's two Allen key on the side. Undo it and you should be all good. If you don't want to take it out, or use this as it is, or if you're gonna use a different lens, then you can do that too for your future. And again, so this is the Canon. Now this is the first time I don't know, first time ever a Canon lens is been used on Sony camera. Again, if you are one of those viewers, if you have never seen it, comment down below. And if you have seen it, what type of lens have you used in previously? So you can do that too. So now it's pretty simple. You're gonna find the ring. You're gonna find like adapter ring and then turn it on. So it's gonna give you a little bit of extra weight in the camera. But if you're using it as normal day in and out, I don't feel any too much weight on it. But this is good because you can use different adapter, and that's a 50mm. And then what I'm going to show you guys is, again, you have to, if you can buy this EF to SE. This is the best way you can actually do utilize the ZV-E10. Now I'm going to turn it on. Less hunting, less pulsing. This look, it's one of the, it's a great thing. I'm reviewing my own footage with my camera as well, so I'm using my phone, and that's how I'm monitoring my shot. So as you can see, like I'm going to show you guys, like you can hear it now, maybe not, but autofocus is working flawlessly. So tracking, it works. The eye tracking works. It actually works natively, so object detection works as well. And then if I'm going to do that, I'll show you my Mac. 50mm, there you go, it works. So even I'm shooting video, there's no pulsing, no hunting, so it works. And again, if there anything comes out, then firmware will come out. And look, I'm going to show you guys that too. Maybe it's not, see, you can see detection works. So you definitely have to see in real life in order for you to see the result. The photos are great. It's the best way to do it. If you want to upgrade your lens, or if you want to go buy Sony lens itself, you can go buy it. But I would recommend you to go give it a try without buying adapter, and then you should be all good. As you can see, a Canon lens and Sony camera. So as you could see, the unboxing is pretty simple, and you could install one of these Canon lens on any Sony camera, especially for Sony ZV-E10. This is what I'm using at the moment. This is what the camera I have. But again, it could fit for different as well. So if 7 artists, it has a different varieties of adapter ring. So this specific model worked for me. So I don't know, you might have to try on your own. But if you're a ZV-E10 owner and then you are on a pinch or a budget, then this is the best way to go. And if you look at the second part, is you can tap into 2 different markets now. So you can go into Canon market, which is a bigger library for lens itself and cheaper option, and you can tap into Sony one as well. So again, you can look around and try to find a good deal out of it. You can find both of them. So you can look for a different third-party option like Veltrox or Sigma. They have a different option. You can buy the E-mount lens from them as well. But again, look and then try to judge. But this is Genius X6 signing out. Peace.